Working with text-to-speech technology and got an HTS voice file? This contains synthesized voice data for the HTS Speech Synthesis Engine. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these HTS Engine voice files. Quick check. Before proceeding, know that a universal viewer can often read the data within the HTS archive, even if it can't fully extract it. A data file containing a statistical model of a voice, used by the HMM-based Speech Synthesis System, HTS. Researchers and developers use these files to generate synthesized speech. Users typically encounter this format when working with open-source text-to-speech, HTS engines, or voice conversion projects. The file is structured in a binary format to efficiently store hidden Markov models, HMMs, and other statistical parameters representing acoustic features like spectrum, pitch, and duration. This design allows the HTS engine to rapidly synthesize speech by statistically generating the most likely acoustic sequence for a given text input. Typically, HTS files can be opened with HTS Engine created by HTS Working Group. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows can detect the file, but not its meaning, so proper reading requires the associated program. We're performing an initial application check. Right-click your HTS file and choose Open With. Test HTS Engine first. If it's not there, select another program. This simple process often yields a quick fix. If your HTS file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Because the HTS format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, using with HTS Engine. Download the HTS Engine from htsengine.sourceforge.net, which is open source. Compile or install the engine on your system and use the HTS Engine command line tool with your HTS voice file to generate speech audio from text input. The engine produces wave audio output containing synthesized speech. Next, integrating with OpenJTalk. Use OpenJTalk, a Japanese text-to-speech system that uses HTS voice files. Install OpenJTalk and configure it with your HTS voice file for Japanese TTS applications. OpenJTalk provides higher-level text processing with automatic accent and prosody generation for natural-sounding Japanese speech synthesis. Finally, building custom voices. Train custom HTS voices using the HTS Toolkit, which requires speech recordings, phonetic transcriptions, and substantial computing resources. Follow the HTS demonstration tutorials for building voices in your preferred language. Custom voice training enables creating personalized TTS voices for specific applications and research projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.